Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Nancy. Today's video is going to be a chatty get ready with me. I showed you that I ordered one mic, but I was scammed, and I just wanted to show what I have received. So this is my new mic. It has arrived. It's from a brand called Greenero, if I'm pronouncing it right. Let's just try this today. This is how it looks. It has one charging cable and this small connector. It comes with a set of two. I think there was one more variant available, but I have ordered this one. It comes with three noise cancellation modes. My phone doesn't have battery, and I've kept it on charge. Okay, so I have plugged it in. I have attached that receiver to my phone, and I hope you're able to hear me better. Let me just test it. I've kept it on I think level 3 noise cancellation mode. So as I said earlier, that this is going to be a chatty get ready with me. After recording this, I'm going to take few videos for my Instagram as well. So I just need some makeup that will make my face look cleaner. I have this new friend here. Let's get started. I only like to do concealer on my face because foundation seems like it's too much. Also recently I have gained 30k followers on Instagram. It feels kind of happy, and also if I think it in a way that there are 30,000 people in a place watching me, it sounds crazy. Considering that, I'm really thankful to everybody. It means a lot to me. But as soon as I hit 30k, I just came across a reel where I saw that there are some followers in your Instagram who are bots, and then they affect your reach. So these are the accounts that are flagged by Instagram, which they think are maybe spam or not relevant. So those kind of account, they would just mark them as flag under your followers section. So I checked, and almost 4k followers, which is a very big number, were marked as spam in my account. So to make this very difficult move to remove 4,000, because it's a very big number of followers, and I removed them from my account. But that's fine, because anyways those spam accounts affect your reach, affect your visibilities, and most of the time my content is watched or liked by people who are not my followers. All of my most of my products are from K Beauty. It looks like it's kind of a sponsored video, but it's not. I live by K Beauty's concealer. I think by far I've just used their compact, their pencil of eyeshadow one. I think I bought contour as well, which I did not use much. So see, it's so pigmented. I have not tried the lip shades or the eyeshadow palette. I'm just using this one, and in this too I would use this line much, and this is just to underline my eyes. So yeah, for today's video, I want to do eyeliner as well, and when I do eyeliner I need a lot of focus. It's very difficult to make it equal on the both side, and we're going to try that. equal. I don't think so it's equal. I think I've done pretty okay. By the way, this is it's all because this has a it's all because this eyeliner has this kind of brush to it which looks like a pen. This is an eyeliner from Color Bar, and I love this eyeliner. I think it's very affordable as well. I forgot the price, and this is like my go-to one. Like every time I'll use this eyeliner because it helps in making my eyeliner better and my eyes better. And nowadays I don't do my eyeliner frequently. Earlier in my college days I used to apply eyeliner every single day. I would not step out without it, but yeah, now I don't do it every day. I'll just do it I'll just do it very rarely. I'll just go curl my lashes now. We are not doing mascara. Lipstick. Let me just bring my lipsticks. Lipstick by MAC. This is in the shade 822 Spirit Satin Lipstick. Now this lip gloss is my kind of favorite lip gloss. It's very cheap, it's very affordable, and it used to be a clear gloss, but since I apply it on my lipstick, so it kind of color chala gaya isme. So see, and one more thing is that since again when I will hit 30k, I hope it will take time. I know it takes time to gain almost 5,000 4,000 followers, so I'm thinking of doing a giveaway this time, that when I'll be hitting 30k, then maybe I'll set some criteria for my followers so that they can participate, and I can do a giveaway. So yeah, let's see what I can do, but that's a story when I again reach back. Also, few of you people keep telling me that I speak very slow, or do I speak like this in my real life as well? So the answer is yes, I speak this slow only. मैं बहुत धीरे धीरे बोलती हूँ. That's why I am advising now that if you are watching my videos and you feel that those videos are very slow for you to, you can always go to 2x speed and watch it if you want to. It's very late, so I'll just film it quickly, then I'll have my lunch and watch something with it. I'm all like, these days I was just watching Demon Slayer, and then before that I was watching Bridgerton. Now I was watching Demon Slayer. Since that is done, I'm just continuing with whatever I'm left with, One Piece. So that is what I'm watching. And yeah, bye bye for now. Thank you.